From the moment you're pulled over or you go through a DUI checkpoint, you're going to be really nervous. And the officer's going to come up to you and you're going to be scared, and he's going to make a determination whether you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol. And no matter how confident you are about how little you had to drink, that officer's probably going to make you do the field sobriety test. So let's talk about what those are. First, they're going to take a pen light and put it in front of your eyes, and they're going to have you keep your head straight forward and just follow it with your eyes. What they're doing is called the horizontal Gaze Nystagmus Test. They're trying to see whether your eyes flutter at a 45-degree angle. Once they've determined that, and pretty much they do on everybody, they'll ask you to step out of the car. One of the next tests that the police are going to have you do is called the heel-to-toe test. And that test is whether or not you can walk heel to toe 9 steps forward, turn around, and 9 steps back. What they're going to be looking for is whether you use your arms for balance, whether you have to look down at your feet, and whether your feet fall off the line. The next test that they may have you do is the finger-to-nose test, where your head will be tilted back 45-degree angle, your eyes are closed, and they'll have you touch your nose with each hand several times. What they're looking for is whether you sway, whether you fall back, or whether your fingers actually make it to your nose or hit a different part of your face. That's very important. They're going to be watching for coordination. The next test they may have you do is just stand still and to see whether or not you're going to be swaying. What they're looking for is the symptoms of intoxication. Even if you've had nothing to drink, most people can't do these tests. So you should plan that you can go to jail. If you've been arrested and you've gone to jail, the moment you get out, please call me at the Kraut Law Group so we can intervene on your case as soon as possible.